If you're starting fresh, cleaning up a test site, or recovering from a messy setup, don't worry because in this video, I'll show you how you can reset your WordPress website. So to get started, go ahead and open WordPress on your device, and then once you're on WordPress, sign into your account. After that, head over into the plugins tab. So in here, go ahead and search for Updraft Plus. So this plugin will allow you to back up your website before you reset your WordPress website. So before resetting, protect your data. So use a plugin like Updraft Plus to back up your site. Save your backup to Google Drive, Dropbox, or your local computer in case you want to recover these files later on. Now, the second thing you'll need to install to your WordPress account would be the WP Reset plugin. So search for WP Reset in here and then click on enter. And then from here, click on WP Reset Webhook Integration. So this tool will allow you to easily reset your website. So make sure to install this. So to be able to install this, you need to go ahead and upgrade your plan into a business plan. So once you have installed this tool, you'll be able to find a reset button on your tools. So head over to your tools and head over to the WP Reset and then click on Create Snapshot and name it and save it. So after that, you need to wipe your site clean. So go ahead and head over to your tools again and then click on WP Reset. Scroll down to Site Reset and then type Reset in the confirmation box and click Reset Site. So after the reset, you may still want to remove unused files, such as delete old themes under appearance and themes, remove plugins under plugins, and clear media files under media library. Now after this, you can start building your site from scratch. Import a backup using all-in-one WP migration and install a new theme and plugins. And that is how you can basically reset your WordPress website. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.